Hi, this is Shushil. In the last video, I taught you about sales volume versus margin graph. Today's video, I'll be teaching you about radial chart. Radial chart is used for if you have to show some performance. Like I have a data which I've got two employees and I've given some rating 1 to 6. Like skill set, that is communication skill of Rajana is 5, Ankur is 3. So like that technical knowledge I've given. So like that I've given some data like this. You can download this sample data from my description. So let us see how can we use this graph radial chart. Just click inside and press Ctrl A to select the entire data. Click on Insert tab. Click on this icon. This icon is your dialog box. And click on All Charts and come over here, Radial. So you can take any one of these options. Radial is there. This the second one is this. So I'll just go for this option. See, let's come. Just click on your chart design. You can give a black background so you can see the give background also. You can make the size little bigger, increase the adjustment by mouse. So this is how it shows you this type of graph actually. Now here it shows you this blue color you see, that is Ranjanaka. You can make the size, adjust that formatting part you can do. Make the size little bigger. This red color that you see, that is Ankurka. So it tells me the performance of the two candidates according to the rating it shows you actually. So if you find this tutorial helpful, give a like and subscribe to my channel, Quick Excel Tally with Shushil. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next video.